CI/CD can get complex. Most CI/CD tools become more painful and time-consuming as the complexity grows. We built Conducto to stay simple so you can iterate faster. Use Python instead of YAML, debug quickly, and collaborate with your team to deliver new features faster than ever. Let's learn how. This is our CI/CD pipeline. Though it has many steps, it's simple to understand. It sets up new AWS infrastructure using CloudFormation, Docker builds and unit tests all of our microservices, deploys them to AWS, runs integration tests, and then cleans up. Each of these steps has more detail, but that's the high-level summary. We're always developing new features that need testing and deployment. I'll show you an example from last week when we added a new microservice to dock directly to GitHub. Here's the part of our Python pipeline that builds and tests the microservices. I'll dry run this portion of it so you can see what it's doing. See how for each microservice, we first do a Docker build, then run a test, and then push the Docker image. We put each build, test, push sequence inside a serial node to show we want them run in order, and then put all of them in a parallel node so each microservice is handled at the same time. Let's add the new microservice. Just add this to the for loop. There's no magic, no brittle YAML config file, it's just plain Python. See, I just added the new nodes. Now to run this pipeline, I commit my changes to GitHub, and Conducto launches on my laptop for free. If I need more computing power, it can run hundreds of tasks simultaneously in the Conducto cloud. Okay, let's watch this run. Watch it deploy the AWS infrastructure. Great. Now it's building and testing the microservices. And it errored. Let's see why. I don't understand this. Let me ask my team. Just paste this into Slack and ask for help. Cool, I can see where my teammates are looking. And it looks like Matt found a bug. Click on his face to jump right to where he's looking. This debug button lets me run this node in the shell, and the VS Code button jumps right to where this node is defined. All the nodes run in Docker containers, and live debug starts this node in a container on my machine so that I can reproduce the error interactively, running the exact command that runs in the pipeline. Normally, a container has a static snapshot of the code. To show that, I'll grep for the environment variable I'm supposed to add, and sure enough, it's not there. But, and this is so cool, the live debug feature actually uses my code instead of what's in the container, so I can fix this right in my editor. Watch. I change the code, and then save it, and it's immediately there in the container. Now I rerun the command, and I see that the Docker image has the environment variable. Great. Let me commit my fix and go back to the running pipeline. I now get these changes from GitHub into the current pipeline, reset the affected nodes in place, and continue running to completion. Just as I expected, it worked. Awesome. Feature delivered. You just saw how easy it was to extend a complex CI/CD pipeline, run it, and collaboratively debug any problems. We're developers who know the pain of editing a spaghetti of YAML. We've tediously replicated environments for debugging, and we've watched hour-long CI/CD pipelines run, only to find at the end that our changes didn't work. We built Conducto to make complex CI/CD simple. Try it out today and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.